What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at about $64,651, so relatively the same compared to yesterday's price. We have moved up a bit. We did dip to as low as I think about 64,000 yesterday, so we have moved up slightly. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently trading in this ascending like channel. It's been trading in this particular channel on the 1 hour chart for the last couple of days. In my opinion, I do believe we continue to trade in this particular channel for the foreseeable future, particularly on the 1 hour chart. Next couple of days to be exact. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 2 touch points. Sometimes you have to adjust the patterns depending on the price movement, so patterns can be adjusted. Sometimes you do readjust the pattern on a daily basis because the price does change. As you can see, drawn with the green marker inside the channel, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. That is just my opinion. As you can see with the top orange arrow, we could go parabolic, breaking that top trend line. As seen drawn with the bottom arrow, we could dip even further and break that bottom trend line. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. Those are very top heavy newsworthy economic situations going on. So I always mention those two because those are some of the most prominent things going on in the world of economics. That's what makes Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on Bitcoin's 1 hour chart. I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on Bitcoin's 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $64,638, so relatively the same compared to the 1 hour chart. As you can see, Bitcoin on this particular time interval, Bitcoin is trading an ascending like channel pattern, so this is usually typically a bearish pattern. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 2 touch points. As seen drawn with the green marker in the middle, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. Again, that is just my prediction. Anything can change. And I also would like to mention that the pattern system isn't technically an absolute predictor of what the price can do next, just an educated guess. These are patterns that are used across multiple markets, whether it's stocks, commodities, etc. But yeah, as seen drawn with the top orange arrow, Bitcoin could go parabolic. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions. It could go upward in price, breaking that top trend line. We could also take a dip, breaking that bottom trend line. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions. Anything is possible in the world of crypto and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is extremely volatile asset. Just want you guys to keep that in mind. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? Do you use any other indicators? Do you use the pattern system? What is your way of how you view technical analysis or how you research technical analysis? Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.